This is experiment 2 for the physics class, and in this video I will be explaining why some people snore and effective countermeasures to help you sleep better, both for the snorer and you. So first, this is why people snore. As you can see, the image on the right is your nose, nostrils. The image on the left is a cross-section of the part that makes you snore. So normally, the air should go through your nose and go through the pink part here and go into your lungs down there. However, for example, this person has a clogged nose or a sinus infection, which will make the nose nostril smaller, and this will create turbulence in the pink part over there. And this turbulence can cause what people snore. And as you see, because of the turbulence, the orange airways are not perfectly straight and will start vibrating some other parts. The pink part is your palate and the red part is your tongue. The turbulence causes negative pressure, which will vibrate both the palate and the tongue. And these vibrations are what cause the snoring sounds that we know. Also, if you tend to sleep with an open mouth, this can also cause snoring. Now, what to do if your partner snores? On Amazon, I found this silicone earplug, and based on the reviews, it seems to be the best one there. Basically, they are soft and will block out the sound waves that enter your ear, and you will be protected from the sound waves. This is especially useful if your partner snore or you are in a daily workplace where there's a lot of noise, because too much sound waves can damage the insides of your ears in the long term. Alright, now what to do if you snore. I found a mouthpiece which will basically close your mouth when you sleep, and this will partially help you snore less, because if your mouth is closed, then there will be less vibrations, so there will be less noise. Now, neither of my parents snore, and I sleep in a different room, so I don't really need, nor my parents don't really need any of these products. However, I do have a friend at school whose parents snore, so maybe I can recommend it to them.